Hello. This is the See It, Try It, Speak It, Timeless Wheels. Take a moment to look at the image. What do you see? Try to make 2 to 3 English sentences on your own. Pause the video while you do this. Pause now. Great. Did you say there is a bicycle? The bicycle is red. The bicycle has a basket. It is a nice day. These are some things you could have said about the image. Now, let's take a look at the image description. This bicycle has thin wheels and a bold red frame, giving it a classic appearance. What makes it unique is that the basket, which is usually in the front, is placed at the back, adding an element of practicality. The overall design looks like a vintage bicycle with a brown leather seat as a key detail. There is no visible gear system, but a small light is attached to the front of the handlebar, increasing the functionality. Placed in the middle of a clear blue sky and lush greenery, the clean and elegant design make this bicycle stand out. Though it has a classic look, it is also well equipped with some practical features for convenience. Riding this bicycle in a beautiful place would be an enjoyable and life-changing experience. Now that we have done the image description, let's do the 10 questions. First, pause the video and do the 10 questions on your own. Then, we will go over them together. Pause now. Well done. Let's take a look. Question number 1. What color is the bicycle's frame? The answer is C, red. The bicycle's frame is red. We see this in the image. Question 2. Where is the basket located on this bicycle? The answer is C, at the back. We know this from the image, and the image description tells us it is at the back. Question 3. What is special about the bicycle's design? So let's take a look at this question together. A is it has a built-in motor. Wrong. B, the basket is placed at the back. Okay, maybe. C, it has an extra large front wheel. No. And D, it is completely made of wood. These 3 are all incorrect, so the answer is B. The basket is placed at the back. Question 4. What material is the bicycle seat made of? B, leather. The image description tells us this information. Question 5. What kind of design does this bicycle have? The answer is C, a classic vintage design. Question 6. What feature is attached to the front of the handlebar? So the front of the bike, near the handlebars. And the answer is B, a small light. The image description tells us a small light is attached here. Question 7. What makes this bicycle practical? The answer is A. It has a basket for carrying items. It has a use and a purpose to help us get groceries, carry books, but it gives you a space to carry things on your bicycle. Question 8. Where is the bicycle located in the description? The answer is A, on a busy street. Nope. B, in a scenic park with clear blue sky. Maybe. C, inside a bicycle shop. Nope. And D, in City Square. So the answer here is B, in a scenic park with a clear blue sky. Question number 9. What does the brown leather seat add to the bicycle's design? C, a classic and stylish touch. Looks good. It makes the bicycle pop. The answer is C. Question 10. How would riding this bicycle in the described setting feel? So the described setting is where? Under the bright blue sky with lush greenery. So the answer here is B. It would feel enjoyable and life-changing. And this was told to us in the image description. Now that we have done the 10 questions together, go back and do them again, this time with our ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It. The ebook will go over every question and give a detailed example of why each answer is correct. Also, reread the image description 2 to 3 more times. This will help you with understanding English sentence structure and English vocabulary. As an added bonus, you can also look at the image some more and make more describing sentences. In today's lesson, we described Timeless Wheels, the bicycle. Did you enjoy the lesson? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button. Box below for a link to our ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It. It is available for purchase at the Google Store and will be 30% off for 3 months. No matter how challenging it looks, never give up. English isn't hard when you're with me. And remember, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3.